Hello guys, you are watching Technical Bench YouTube channel and I am Kunal. In this video we learn how to center things in Photoshop. If you want to center any text, an image or an object in Photoshop perfectly pixel by pixel, you need to watch this video. So let's start. So we go through our first example. So in this example, we learn how to center this text in the middle of the canvas, perfectly centered. So first of all, you need to select the layer you want to center. So in this case, we want to center this text layer. So we select the text layer, and if you do not see this layer window, you can open the layer window by click on this window button and check this layer or press F7 to open the layer window. So first we need to select the layer you want to center. So we select this layer. Second, you want to select the entire canvas. To do that, press Ctrl A in Windows or Command A in Mac. So as you can see, a dotted border add on the canvas. Next, you need to select this move tool. When you select this move tool, these options are appears. So you need to click on this to align your text horizontally centered. So we click on this. So as you can see, our text is now horizontally centered. So this is to align your text vertically centered. So we click on this. So as you can see, now our text is perfectly in the center of the canvas. So after you centered your text, do not forget to remove this selection. So press Ctrl D to remove the selection. So we move to our next example. So in this example, we need to center this image. So same step, you need to select the layer you want to center. Then you select the whole canvas by pressing Ctrl A. Then you select the move tool and make horizontally centered or vertically centered. So as you can see, our logo in the center of the canvas, and remove the selection by pressing Ctrl D in Windows and Command D in Mac. Now we go to our next example. So in this example, we need to center this text in the rectangle, not in the whole canvas. So how we can do that? So we need to go to the rectangle layer. So this was the rectangle layer, and press Ctrl and move your cursor above the layer. You can see a square box. So you click on this layer. So as you can see, the rectangle is selected, and you select the text layer and select the move tool, make horizontal center and make vertical center, and remove the selection by pressing Ctrl D. So in this video, we'll learn how to center things in Photoshop. If you have any query, write in the comment section, and if you like this video, click on the like button, and do not forget to subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon for the latest video updates. Thank you very much.